Feature tabs. This area of the myPortal application has 2 or 3 tabs, depending upon your purchased license type. These are Journal, Directories, Voice Messages. The Journal tab is your own personal call history. It shows missed calls, answered calls, internal and external calls, as well as inbound, outbound, and scheduled calls. Calls in these lists can be redialed by double-clicking on an entry, or by right-clicking and selecting Dial. Calls can also be scheduled from this list by right-clicking on a number and selecting Schedule Outbound Call. From the journal, you can also add dialed or received calls to your personal directory. Simply right-click on an entry and click Copy to Personal Directory. The pop-up window enables you to add further details, such as name, company, email address, and so on. Calls in this list that have been previously stored in the external directory will display additional details, such as company name, etc. Directories. The Directory tab is split into 4 sections: Personal Directory, External Directory, Internal Directory, and Search. Calls can be initiated from any of these directories by double-clicking on an entry, or by right-clicking and selecting a number to dial. Incoming calls from contacts stored in the directories will also display their information on your handset screen whilst the phone is ringing, and if enabled, in the small notification window in the bottom right of your screen. The Personal Directory stores numbers that you have added from the journal or from your Outlook contacts if you have enabled this feature in the setup screen. The External Directory is populated by your administrator. This could be linked to your CRM software, other databases, or by importing information directly into the management suite. The Internal Directory lists all the users on your OpenScape business system. The icons to the left of their name display the user's current present status and whether or not the user is making a call or on a call already. If the user icon is changed to a bell, this indicates that their phone is ringing. You can pick this call up on their behalf by right-clicking and selecting Pick Up Call. We can call a user simply by double-clicking on their name. Right-clicking on a user presents us with a further list of options. We can also schedule a call for a later time. The Search tab enables us to search for a user or a contact in any of the directories. The results are listed below the search box, and we can dial any of the results by double-clicking or by right-clicking and selecting a number to dial. Voice Messages. Voicemail messages are displayed in date and time order, and show the name, if it is in one of the directories, and number of the person that left the message. There are also 4 tabs in the voicemail menu: New, Played, Saved, and Deleted Messages. Messages can be moved between the 4 tabs, so if you inadvertently delete a message, you can move it back to Inbox, Played, or Saved. To listen to a message, we can either dial the voicemail number from the desk phone to listen to them in the order they were left, or we can select a particular message from the list and right-click. We now have the option to play the message through the desk phone or through the speakers of your PC or laptop. We also have an option in the right-click menu to return the call, forward the message to another user, or save the message as a WAV file. We can also save the contact's details to our personal directory. Voicemail messages may also have icons next to them. A red ball indicates that it's a recorded call. A triangle indicates it's a recorded conference call. Voicemail with no icon are messages that have been left for you specifically. For any further help or assistance, please look at our other videos or contact Everything Voice on 0330 055 3570.